Alright guys, what's going on? So for this video today, we're going to be starting off with changing the oil. It hasn't been changed since probably the cam. When I did the cam, I changed the oil just to make sure nothing, dirt or debris got in there, since everything was pretty much open on the car. So, but we're going to be starting with changing the oil and just getting the car ready for Cars and Coffee Morrisville tomorrow. So let's get this video started. Alright, trying to change this oil on my car. Trying to do it with one hand. My shoulders are too wide. I should have checked the car out more. Alright, am I gonna make a mess? That's the question. Huh. No oil on my hand. And she's cooked. See how dark it is? Let's put the bowl down. Super dirty. Well, boys, we got an update, chat. Got oil everywhere because my drain thing was clogged by those things. Y'all know the things that be falling out the tree? That was in the bottom of the, in front of the drain. So it wasn't allowing it to actually drain correctly. And I ain't even notice it until it was too late. So, yeah, now we got oil everywhere. But let's get this oil filter off right quick. Well, that's the filter. Hey, for all the young cats, for the new filter, make sure y'all putting some oil around there. All right, new filter is in, bolts back in. Everything is wiped off down here. Let's put the oil in and shoot, that's it. All right, guys, so we're in a different area. We actually stayed in Durham over here last night. Let's go and get this cold start in, go get the car wash, and go get our early park, hopefully. Yes, sir. Sorry to all these neighbors. They ain't my neighbors. All right, guys, don't judge me. I had to get the touchless. I never had a touchless before, so let's see how it's gonna do. I brought all my other stuff, like spray wax and tire shine and window cleaner, so maybe what the touchless doesn't get, I can, make it look like I got a real wash in. So let's just let it do its thing. Yeah, so that's why I end up parking at. It's a pretty big event for the people that's never been here before. It's a whole bunch of cars everywhere. Used to have this whole parking lot where we could park over there, but I think somebody bought that parking lot, so it's just this side over here where all the cars can be at. Big turbo. Shoot. Dang, this me if I had an old school car. That's tough. I don't know, presidency. Dang, follow buddy page. Put a parachute on. What this place say? Box body. Dang, V3. Somebody buy my car so I can get a V3. Sign on. V06. 427. As y'all think this car is, they got a parachute. Lsx.Joshhh RT. Not really the biggest fan of this year Corvette, but this is crazy. How hot you think that gets? Dang, crazy camera car, huh? This the honk section. Everybody with a 4 on pay over the age of 55, this is what y'all park at. Ooh.
Don't got no issue. That boy hitting harder than 2 drums over there. I don't even know what year that truck is.
C06, C7. I don't really like the C7s, but this one look pretty good. I wouldn't do yellow though. Black. That boy stepping with the chrome wheels. I see you. She clean. Alright. It's a real sleeper truck. Alright guys, so we finna try to get out of this line at Cars and Coffee.
see this video, I won't go that fast. I might have to blur the screen. V3?
We in Mexico.
V3.
I didn't want to stop you.
Hey, my boy. About to be getting my car painted.
You gonna go up like how we did last time?
No, I'm just gonna park right there. Or probably right here, actually. Alright guys, so we have this night beat. It looks like it's already a cop over here already. So I guess we're gonna kind of see. I don't know if people are doing some runs tonight. The roads seem kind of wet, so I don't know. We'll just see what happens. Dang, it's deep. There's cars over here. There's a whole bunch of cars on the other side. Let's see what's out here. Hey man, y'all keep watching my videos, you know, how about this? CT5, Black Wing. I gotta watch my videos though. Dang, boy. Hey, yo, they fighting at me. Oh. Two crackheads fighting. Oh, my bad, my bad. Y'all might watch the video.